How to format a drive on your MacBook Neo. So this is my USB drive, could have been a hard drive as well. Step number one is to obviously plug it in your laptop. No matter which port you're using, it will work, but if you want it to be quicker, you're going to plug it in the first port, the one closer to the screen. Next step, we need to open Disk Utility. You may get this message, simply press Allow. To open Disk Utility, the easiest way is to go over here, tap the magnifying glass on the top right corner, and type with the keyboard Disk, and here we go, one of the first option is Disk Utility. Tap on it. On the left side, under External, you're going to find your drive. This is mine. It doesn't have any name for the moment, so that's how it's called. And just make sure that everything is what you expect. So yeah, this is the right drive. Now, one important thing is that I need to remind you that when formatting a drive, you're going to lose everything that is on it. So you better do a backup before doing what I'm showing you right now, because everything will be completely erased from it. Once you're ready, select your drive on the left side, make sure it's highlighted in blue, and you're going to go and select Erase. You'll be able to give this drive a new name. So let me just invent something here. And then you're going to select in which format you wish to format the drive. So there's many different options over here. Obviously, if you're going to use it on a Mac and also on a PC, and you want to be compatible with both brands, both OS, well, you're going to select exFAT. This is the best option if this is what you're doing. But obviously you can select Mac OS Extended or Extended Journal or Case Sensitive Journal. In case you want to use this drive only with this Mac, you don't have a PC and you don't intend to ever plug it in a PC, this could also be an option. You also have MS-DOS FAT and FAT32. Depending how you intend to use this drive, like on some smart TVs only accept FAT32, well, you may have to select it too. In my case, I'll select exFAT and press Erase. It doesn't take much time, you just have to wait. And at the end, we'll get a confirmation message that it has been successfully done. Okay, here we go. We got the green check mark and the confirmation message. You simply click on Done, and this is it. It got formatted. And you can start using it. If you want to remove the drive, you absolutely need to eject it. So you can go and click this button to eject, or you can, if you're on the desktop, bring the drive in the trash can right over here, drop it there. It has ejected, and now you can safely remove it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you need any accessories for your MacBook Neo, check my Amazon links down below for any adapters, drives, and much more.